What's up, guys? Welcome to Celeb Gossip Entertainment, where we bring you the tea each and every day, honey. If you are not yet a subscriber, please consider subscribing to this channel because I am updating you on celebrity news, on gossip news each and every day. Consider hitting that subscribe button down below and join us. Now, in today's video, guys, as you have seen by the title, so Vuyokazi shared her beautiful pregnancy photo shoot pictures, right? She looked so gorgeous, and yes, people on Instagram are now suspecting it might be a boy, considering the fact that she's wearing blue. So people are just speculating. We all don't know for now. We will see what the gender is. And then, as always, there were some negative comments about Vuyokazi. For those who don't know, guys, Vuyokazi is the girlfriend of Usibindi Mseleku. So yeah, she's the first girlfriend, if I may say. Now, people were saying that she's competing with Tiralo because Tiralo did the photo shoot. Yeah, people and others were saying stop ukuzalela boyfriends, stop giving boyfriends the rights to get you pregnant. And others were also saying that she's in competition with Tiralo because Tiralo had a baby boy and now she wants to have a baby boy. Like, it was a lot, it was a lot, especially under the pictures that she took with her baby daddy. The comments were so negative to a point that I think she blocked comments on these pictures, because when I firstly saw these pictures, the comments were there, and when I went back again to check, there were no comments, guys. So please, let's just learn to mind our own business, okay? That is all for today. Please subscribe to this channel. Congratulations once again to Vuyokazi. See you on my next one.